Welcome to another episode on the Creative Phebe channel. I hope you're all doing fantastic and being culinary curious. I sure am. I'm always sharing my cooking tips, new updates on what I'm eating, what I'm adding to my diet, food combos on Instagram and TikTok. So if you're not already following me on any of those, then you are surely missing out. You are. So just follow me at Creative Phebe. Yep. So let's get on and make some green goddess pasta. We need 65 grams of curly or lacinato kale for that. Remove the midribs as well as the stalk, chop off the kale leaves and set them aside. Now we need the next green factor, and those would be the 165 grams of broccoli florets. Now the stems of the broccoli are very tender, so just shave off the tough part of the stems and chop up the florets and set them aside. Next, we need some onions. I'm using 175 grams of yellow onions here. If you have white or red, those work equally fine. We need 15 grams of fresh ginger. Just scrape off the skin so you don't remove too much flesh from the ginger. And that works perfectly. We need garlic cloves. Garlic just makes everything taste better. Do you agree? Comment down in the comments below. I would love to hear your opinion on garlic because, we need a whole serrano pepper here. If you want to use chili pepper or habanero pepper, that works fine too. If you know me, you know I like spice, so we're just gonna make this spicy. Okay? Now let's salt our water after it has boiled. The reason being, this will allow our water to boil faster. If we added salt, it would make the water hard. It's a whole scientific process. Just salt it after it's boiled. Now let's blanch our broccoli florets for about a minute or two until they turn bright green. And while we're fishing them out, I wanted to let you know that there's an ASMR version of this video, and I've added a link to that in the description below, so be sure to check it out for your listening pleasure. We added in 7 grams of parsley together with all the chopped items that we did earlier on. This is about to taste so good. We added in half a tablespoon of kosher salt and half a tablespoon of ground black pepper. We're gonna add in some lemon because hello. You can tell I'm so excited about this dish. I rolled that lemon on my chopping board so that I can squeeze out as much juice from it as possible because it was a little bit too hard and I did not want to miss out on any lemon juice. I'm using giggly pasta for this dish. It is, in my opinion, a very romantic pasta. So if you want to love on yourself while having this dish, hey, have it your way, because I'm really enjoying it. I transferred all of this to another pot because that pasta yields quite a bit. While we wait on that pasta to cook in about 8 to 10 minutes, depending on your package instructions, let's make our pasta sauce by adding in our cooled broccoli, 50 ml of extra virgin olive oil, together with 50 ml of water. Now, if you're making this for a large gathering, as well as the 75 ml of lemon juice. Now, if you're making this for a large gathering, I'd advise that you do not scoop out any extra ingredients into the blender with your hands because sanitary is prime. But because I'm having this all by myself, it all it's working for me. So if you're doing this by yourself, it can work for you. Okay, now let us drain our pasta after making our pasta sauce. If you prefer, you can save at least half a cup to a cup of pasta water in case your pasta together with the pasta sauce is too thick for you. We all have different preferences. So you made any changes while making this pasta? We'd all love to know in the comments below. So just add it in there for everyone to learn from each other. Added in conchita cheese because I love how it melts. If you have feta, that works great. Blue cheese, brie, Okay, I'm having this for lunch the following day, and it was so good. I meal prep every Saturday. So once I make a meal like this, I can either have it for lunch or dinner and alternate it on every other day. Now that I'm doing a happy dance, you gotta subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and follow me on Instagram as well as TikTok. And thank you so much for tuning in. Enjoy yourself, be culinary curious, and see you soon.